Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 1A and 1B Simulation Training. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we move to the question number one. So question number one is in a cell A1, type the worksheet title is the essay pantry and then press enter. So select the cell is A1 and type the essay. The essay is the pantry. Press enter. So question number one is a complete and go to the question number two. In the cell A2, type the worksheet subtitle is the third quarter sale of fruits and spreads and press enter. So select the cell is A2 and type the third quarter. Type the third quarter sales for fruits spreads. Press enter. So the next step is the use the name box to the navigates to a cell A4 is the types gems to form the first row title and then press enter. So select the cell is A4 and type the gems, press enter. And next is the in the cell A5 type the J and notes the text from the previous cell display continuing typing the reminder for the row title by typing the alias and then press the enter. So select the cell is A5 and type the J and type the alias gels, just press enter. So question number two is a complete and next question is question number three. So in the cell B3 type the July and then on the formula box click the enter button to the confirm the entry and then keep in the cell B3 as the active cell. So select the cell as B3 and type the July, press enter. And next step is the with the cell B3 active drag the fill handle to the right fill the month adjust and August and September in the range C3 to D3. Select the cell is B3 active and fill handle. Copy the formula in the cell C3 to D3. Question number three is a complete. So the next question is question number four. So question number four is the point to the vertical line between the column A and B heading to the display the resize pointer and then drag to the right until column A is the little and wider than the row heading space is the continuum. So select the column vertical line between A and B column and resize the pointers and paste. Select the column A and B and vertical horizontally. So next question is question number five. Under July, click cell B4, type the value and then press the tab to move to the cell C4. So copy the value and paste the cell in cell B4. Press enter. And in the column heading area, select the column B2F on the home tab. In the cell group, click the format and then click the column with the number in the column where the box selected type is 13, and then click OK. Select the column B2F and cell groups and click the format and go to the column width. Select the column width and column width is type 30. Click OK. And next step is the in the cell C4 is type the value and then press the tab to the move in the cell D4. So copy the value and paste the cell in C4, press enter and in the C4 and type the in the cell D4 is type the value and then press enter. So copy the value and select the cell D4 and paste the value, press enter. So the next step is the in a cell B5 type the value and press tab to move to the cell C5. So copy the value and paste the cell in B5. Press enter. And next in the cell C5 type the value and press tab move to the cell D5. So copy the value and select the cell C5. Press enter. And next step in the cell D5 type the value and then press enter. So copy the value and paste the value in the cell D5. Select the D5 and paste the value, press enter button. So the question number 5 is a complete. Next question is question number 6. In the cell B8 type is equal to B4 plus B5 plus B6 and plus B7. To create a formula that adds the value in a cell B4 through B7, press tab to move to the cell B8. So select the cell as B8 and type is equal to type the B4 plus B5 plus and B6 plus B7. Press enter. In the cell C8, use the point and click the method to enter the formula and then add the value in the cell C4 through C7 and press enter. So select the cell as C8 and use the point click method, enter the formula, adds the value in the cell C4 through C7. Type is equal to and C4 plus C5 plus C6 and last is plus C7. Press enter and click the cell is click the cell in D8 on the home tab. Home tab in editing group, click the sum to the enter function to the sum value in the cell D4 to D7. So select the cell is D8 and insert the sum function in the cell D8 in the range is D4 to D7. Type is equal to type the sum function and value is the D4 to D7. Press enter. So the question number 6 is a complete. Next question is question number 7. So the question number 7 is a click a cell E3, type the total and then press enter. So select the cell is E3 and type the total. Type a total, press enter. And with the cell E4 is the active on the home tab in the editing group and click the auto sum value in the range is B4 to D4, press enter button. So select the cell as E4 and on the home tab editing group and click the auto sum button. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing group, click the sum and click the auto sum. Press enter button. In the cell, click the cell E4 and then drag the fill handle down through cell E5 to E8 to copy the formula cell E4 to E5 to E8. So copy the formula E5 to E8 and click the cell F3, type trends and then press enter. So select the cell as F3 and type the trend, press enter. So question number 7 is the complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a select the range A1 to F1 and then in the alignments group click the merge and center. So copy the range A1 to F1 and paste the range, press enter. So select the range A1 to F1. So select the range A1 to F1 and then alignment group, click the merge and center. Go to the home tabs, go to the alignment group, click the merge and center the range A1 to F1. So the next step is the select the range is A2 to F2 and then alignment group, click the merge and center. Copy the value, copy the range and paste the range is A2 to F2. So select the range is A2 to F2 and apply the merge and center. Go to the home tabs, go to the alignment group and click the merge and center. And next step is the click a cell A1. In the style group, click the cell style and then display the gallery under title and heading, click the title cell style. So click the cell A1 and style groups, go to the style group and click the cell style, then the display and under the heading and title and heading, select the title and apply the heading one cell style in the cell A2. Select the cell A2 and apply the heading one cell style. And next is the select the range B3 to F3. Hold down control, select the range A4 to A8 with the non-adjacent range. Select the apply heading 4 cell style. Copy the range B3 to F3 and paste the range. Press enter and hold down is the control in the cell ranges A4 to A8. Select the range A4 to A8 and apply the heading 4 cell style in the cell style and apply the heading 4 cell style. So question number 8 is the complete. So next question is question number 9. Select the range as non-adjacent range B4 to E4 and BA to E8 and then home tabs in the number group, click the accounting number formats. So copy the range B4 to E4 and paste the range, press enter and second range is BA to E8. Select the BA to E8 and go to the home tab, number group, click the accounting number formats. So, number formats, select the range is B5 to E7 and then number group, click the comma style. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter. Is the then the number group, click the comma style. Go to the number group and apply the comma style. So the next step is the select the range BA to E8 and then in the style group display the cell style under the title and heading, click total cell style. So select the range BA to E8 and paste the range, press enter. So select the range as BA to E8 and then in the style groups display the cell style gallery and under the title and heading, click the total cell style. So display the cell styles and under the title is the heading is the total cell style, click the total cell style. So question number 9 is a complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is a click the page layouts Then the theme groups, click the theme and click the slice theme. So go to the payload tabs and go to the theme groups, and theme is the slice. So click the slice theme is the apply the slice theme and select the column A. Click the home tab in the cell group, click the format and then click the auto fit column with. So select the column A and click the home tabs and go to the formats tabs and click the auto fit column with. So apply the auto fit column with. Question number 10 is the complete. Next question is question number 11. Select the range A3 to D7 on the insert tabs in the charts group. Click the recommended chart. Select the first cluster column chart, item name as the category axis, and then month as the legend. So copy the range is A3 to D7 is the paste the range. Press enter. So select the range is A3 to D7. A3 to D7 and go to the insert tabs and in the charts group click the recommended charts and select the first cluster column charts. Go to the recommended charts and click the first cluster column charts. Click OK. Question number 11 is a complete. We move to the question number 12. In the charts and click the anywhere in the text charts title to select the title box is the third quarter sales for fruits spreads and then press enter. So copy the title and paste the. So type the title is third quarter sale for fruit spreads. And next step is the click the insights chart button outside of the chart title to the right of the charts and click the charts style button is the the right side the style groups and drag the vertical scroll bar down and then click the sixth style above the style gallery. Click colorful is the third row of the color. So charts outside border. Click the outside of the chart title. In the right charts clicks right button and click on the outside. Outside is the chart titles and right is the chart style button. On the right style is the drags vertical scroll down and then click the sixth style and above the salary is the color. So click the chart design and apply the chart style 6 and above the is the underfoot colorful is the third color, third row of color. So click the third row of the colorfuls and position the chart so upper left corner of the charts align with the upper left corner in the cell A10. Move and drag the charts in a cell A10. So question number 12 is a complete. Next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is the select the range B4 to D7 on the insert tab. In the sparkling group, click the line and set the location of the range is sparkle F4 to F7. Copy the range is B4 to D7 and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges B4 to D7. On the insert tab in the sparkling group, click the lines and set the location range of the sparkling is F4 to F7. So go to the insert tabs and go to the sparkling and click the line is the F4 to F7. So location is the F4 to F7, click OK. So question number 13 is a complete. We can move to the question number 13 is the next steps. On the sparkling tab in the show group, select the marker checkbox. Click the marker. On the sparkling tabs in the style group, click the more and first row, click the third style. In the third style. So question number 13 is a complete. We can move to the question number 14. The question number 14 is on the page layout tabs in the page setup groups and click the margin. At the bottom of the margins gallery, click the custom margin. On the margins tabs under the center and page the select the horizontal checkbox. Do not close the page setup dialog box. Go to the page load tabs and go to the page setup groups. Click the margins and go to the custom margins. On the margin tabs is the under the center on the page, click the center horizontally and click the header and footer tabs in the center the dialog box, click the custom footer and the footer dialog box in the left section of the bottom and click the insert the file name, click OK and two times click go to the header and footers, click the custom footer. So custom footer is the left section on the footer the left section on the row of the button, click the insert file name is the left section. So left section, center section and right section is the left section, insert the file name, click OK and again OK. And in the page setup, click the orientation and then click is the landscape. Go to the page setup group, click the orientation and orientation is the landscape. So question number 14 is a complete. We can move to the question number 15. Click the file tab and then backstage view on the left, click info tabs in the lower right corner, click the show all property as the tag type is the fruit spreads sales and press enter. So go to the file tabs and go to the info tab and click the show all property, show all property as the tag is the, so select the tags and type the fruit spread, say press enter. And while the still in the backstage view, click the print preview and click the and go to the prints. Question number 15 is a complete. Next step is the question number 16. Select the range as F5 to F5. Click the File tab to display the backstage view. On the left, click Print under the setting and print active sheets on the click Print selection. So copy the range A2 to F5 and paste the range. Press Enter and go to the File tabs. Go to the prints and print selection is the, so select the print active worksheet is the print active worksheet is to create the print selection. So select the print selections. Question number 16 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.